Welcome into the channel, everyone. It's Michael Tharp, EDU. It starts with you. I have an absolute banger for you guys today that I just bought, so I'm going to explain why I like this project and why you might want to consider putting it into your portfolio. Now, right now, the market is pretty red, and this is when you need to get excited, okay? You got to make sure you have the right mindset in crypto. Get excited when something is on sale, all right? So today we're going to be looking at Mind AI. We can also stake this token for 200% in 60 days. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that as well. So obviously AI is hot right now, okay? This is a personal assistant that you can use for free. It's a Telegram bot. There is a paid version, but you can do a lot of it absolutely for free. So they have 73 custom setups. They're obviously using AI in the Telegram, and they even have image generation. Here's what one thing I love about it, guys. There's only 1 million of these tokens. They're doing a 100% revenue share. That means it's coming back to the project, any money that they make with this AI. They're KYC and audited. And like I said, we can get 200% staking. So they will be having a white label bot coming soon. That means like a whole company can design a bot that they need for a certain project. They have over 5,000 members and 1 million prompts. I'm not going to go into the whole roadmap, but they've hit everything in Q1, and now we're coming into Q2. This is a really big deal. Anything that even has association with Tau bit sensor goes parabolic. They're not even on CoinMarketCap yet. They're just on CoinGecko. So there's a lot of new and amazing things coming. But let's look at the price and the tokenomics, because that's what I'm excited about. It has pumped in the last 24 hours, so you might want to wait a little bit to buy. I bought a little bit. I'm hoping it dips so I can buy more. But here's the exciting part, guys. Fully diluted market cap is under $12 million. You guys know that I like to find projects below 20 million, so we have a lot of room for growth. Like I said, there's only 1 million tokens total. That's why the price is already $10. It is on Ethereum, so there will be some gas fees. Here's their contract address. I follow them on Twitter, and they're definitely active on there. And surprisingly, no one I follow on Twitter had followed them yet. So we're still very early. Joined in February 2024. They already have over 7,000 followers. So you can kind of see them go into the benefits that they have there. I thought this was really cool. When you look at their competitors, let me blow that up a little bit for you. So you can see here, they're comparing themselves to Palm AI, which is very popular, ChainGPT. They have all these things, right? Voice commands, chat archiving, multi-modality of interaction, 100% revenue share. And this was before they were even launched, because they've only been, I think, live for 3 days. Or actually on Dex Screener. That's where I saw it. So they just got listed on March 17th, so like 2 days. Okay, so we're still super early. You can see here market cap 10.2. And people are, some people are taking profit. Ooh, there's a good one. All right, so you guys that are holding this project now, just sell it so I can get in cheaper. That would be great. As far as what they have, the chat bot. So here's the different commands you can give it. So, I mean, look at everything they have here. Assistant, code assistant, artist. This one does require pro mode, and I couldn't figure out how to get that, but it's not very expensive. A psychologist, copywriter, translator. They even have like funny Elon Musk mode, songwriter, anti-plagiarism, startup, email, Tinder assistant, crypto expert assistant, relationship coach, doctor, God mode, Excel assistant, career, job, text improver, Kanye West mode, screenwriter, life coach, design assistant, cover letter, brainstorm. I mean, they just have, I don't know why you'd want a Joe Biden mode, but I think it just mumbles at you. As you guys can see, they have a ton of stuff. Like I said, I couldn't figure out how to get their assistant or the upgraded package. But you can see here, it's very affordable. It's not like they're charging you a ton. You can get 500,000 tokens for $5.99, up to 50 million for $250. They also talk about the revenue share. All the money that goes into the revenue share wallet will be funds derived from the sale of subscriptions on the bot and token packages, the white label bot program when that launches, and then also they'll have an ad campaign inside the Telegram bot, so people will pay them to put ads that we see. But again, what I like is everything's coming back to the project, and we're still super low cap. So if you guys do want to buy this, you're going to get the contract address. You can get that here. So you're going to copy this. You can also find it on Dex Screener right here. Okay, then you're going to go to Uniswap, and as you can see, I've already bought some. Going to copy and paste that, and then you'll see Mind AI. You'll get some warnings that pop up. You're going to put in, I don't have too much Ethereum left. Okay, and then you're going to hit swap. You probably need to up your slippage because there is a 5% tax. So you're going to want to put in something over 5 here. I just did 7 and it worked fine. And actually, let me see if I can find that. Yeah, so this 5% tax on the buys and the sells. 2% is going into developing. 3% is going into marketing. As you can see here, 80% of the tokens went to Uniswap, 10% for staking, and 10% for a partnership. And this is a good one. Once the initially injected rewards, which amount to 100,000 MDAI, run out, we will proceed with continuous buybacks to fuel the pool and maintain a constant yield for our holders. So another thing that I love is they have really good staking right now. So these are the different staking options you can do. I'm going to do mine for 60 days to double what I have now. I'm going to show you guys how to stake them. So they're doing a buyback strategy to feed staking. So that's really all we have to do now. So when you're on their main page, you're going to go to very top or down a little bit. And you'll see this right here. You're going to click launch staking. And I already approved this. Yeah, so you're going to approve it first. Okay. And then you're going to stake. I'm going to do 25. Keep a little bit out just in case I want to sell it. We're going to go 60 days. 25. Ethereum fees weren't bad a little bit ago, but this is a smart contract, so it could be expensive. Let's see. $34. Not horrible. I'm going to go ahead and do it. You got to remember, I'm getting 200% in 60 days. So is it worth spending $30 to stake it to basically double my position? I think so. All right, that was quick. It does say error. It said that on my first one as well, and it worked. So let's refresh and see if we're good. Perfect. Okay, so that's cool. So you can stake different tokens for different amounts. So you can see here, 60 days, 25 stake. So my APY is 200%. So I should basically get 50 within the next 60 days, which is absolutely amazing. You know, and to get here, you know, again, it has gone up 71% today, but we're still at like an $11 million market cap. I think this one said 10. So $10 million market cap, guys. We're here super early. All right, again, so if this thing goes to $100 million market cap, that's a 10x. Okay, so let's look at what the possible returns could be. Of course, nothing's guaranteed, not financial advice. Obviously, crypto is risky, but this is pretty simple to calculate here, guys. They have 1 million tokens. Right now, the price is about $10. So if we do a 10x to $100 million market cap, we're looking at a coin value of $800. If we get to 1 billion, we're looking at a token value of around $1,000. And that would put us at a $1 billion market cap. So that percentage increase from $10 to 1,000 would be 9,900. All right. And again, I mean, that would be awesome and it's not guaranteed, but I don't think it's anything that's, you know, not possible. I mean, if you look at something like BitTensor Tau, which is kind of the leading AI that they're going to be integrating with, I mean, they have a $4 billion market cap. So if it just does 20, and they're down right now. I mean, they were up to like, you know, I guess they're not super down, but they've been over $700. So if they just do 25% of BitTensor, and I'm sure BitTensor is going to go up in this bull market. I mean, BitTensor has 21 million tokens, and it's at 627. So, you know, for Mind AI to get to $1,000 when there's only 1 million of them, I don't think is too crazy. But there it is, guys. 9,900, almost a 1,000x could be possible. I say a 10x, 30x would be very, very safe. But again, you never know what can happen in the crazy, crazy world of crypto. So hope you guys enjoyed this little gem here. If you guys can, like the video, drop me a comment down below. Helps out with the algorithm if you appreciate anything I do for you guys, and keep trying to bring you as much crypto content as possible. All right, guys, lace up. Let's get wealthy. Peace.